To enable or disable camera AI on Xiaomi 17, what you can do is you can go to the camera, and if there is a use of camera AI, in some cases you can turn it on or turn it off if it appears on the screen. So for example, in the photo mode, if we zoom in a little bit, let's say I'm gonna use actually more than 20x, then we should be able to find the ultra zoom option. There we go. So as you can see here, I can tap on this option to enable the ultra zoom, which is an AI feature, or I can turn it off as well. But this is of course conditional. It doesn't appear all the time. Only when using a certain zoom, you have access to that option. And for more stuff that is related to AI, we can go to the camera settings. So we can tap on this arrow here at the top of the screen, and then we can go to settings. And now in here we have AI recommendations, and some of these recommendations I don't think they can be really considered as AI, but a couple of them are actually AI tools, like for example this ultra zoom option that I just mentioned. There's also the supermoon option, which automatically enables supermoon when zooming beyond 20x for clear details. We have the extended depth of field and the automatic night mode. These options can be enabled or disabled in here, and that is pretty much it. So this is pretty much all you can do in order to toggle camera AI tools on the Xiaomi 17. Leave a like and subscribe.